We have given segment AC. Point B is between A and C. We need to find the distance between A and C. We know that distance between A and B is 4 and distance between B and C is 7. So we can write equation that AC is equal AB plus BC. Because we know distance between A and B and BC, so we can substitute these two values. So we have AC is equal 4 plus 7. So we have that AC is equal 4 plus 7 is 11. So the distance between A and C, or in other words, the length of segment AC is equal 11. This is my solution.